Okay, good day everyone. Today I would like to share about the wiring of this two-wire intercom. Okay, so over here I already have these two. One is an indoor station, one is the outdoor station, and this is the distribution, and this is the adapter. This adapter provide 24 is input 240 AC and release 24 watt 2.5 A to power up this. Okay, so the adapter already connecting over here, and already I connected. So I would like to describe one thing is about the wiring. Okay, so you have to see that I have already connected the plus and minus, which is the color will be chocolate, and also the blue. Okay, so which is the here I want to describe, because here don't have any indicator over here. So this is the plus and this is the minus. Okay, and also this installation I already power up also. So here I don't mind because they have a giving you indicator. Okay, so that is for the little wiring of the explanations. Okay, so over here, and also they have a in and out. So this is the usually is a indoor, and this is will be outdoor. Okay, I will list the wiring spec to this video also. So after this, okay. Okay, so this is the setup wiring. So we continue on the setup. So over here is the starting wizard. So over here you just click your English, click next. Okay, put your password. Okay, so I put my desired password. Okay, I activate the device. So once this activated, you can leave it and click the DHCP address. Okay, so we next on it. So we leave it over here. We click next on it. You can connect the Wi-Fi if you want. You can next on it. So I already detect the outdoor station. We click over here. We click next. Okay, and click next again. If you want to HIA connect, you can enable it right now, but later on I'll be after this first. Okay, we can finish. So let it done to be a pairing and also the configurations. So it's done already. So we click a start button over here. So we take a try. Okay, very easy. You want to know that it's already done, configured already. You click live, and you can see there will be outdoor station and the name already done over here. Come, so we take a try. So we make a call first from the outdoor station. Okay, so it's able to two-way communication. You can unlock the door, you can turn off the volume, or you can answer the call. Hello. For the unlock the door. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so I will do another is for the handphone registrations.